Hey, to erase audio from your videos on the Google Pixel 8a, first of all, you will have to just open your camera and open this video that you want to actually edit. So I just record this video and now I have to click on the edit button. Then I will have to slide like this and go for the audio eraser. Then click here and now we have to wait for the identifying sounds. It will take around a few moments. So let me show you how the video sound right now. You can hear my voice right now, yeah? So if you want to actually get rid of this speech voice, it's only the only voice detected right here. So I have to click on this speech and now I have to, if I want to completely get rid of it, I have to move it to -100. And now when I keep playing this video, you will don't hear my voice. If I want to lower my voice, I can set it, for example, for 50. But let's get rid of it completely, then go for the -100 and tap done. Now as you can see, it's finished and I can click to save a copy. And now I have got this video without my voice. So that's really useful. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.